What's up, guys? Mopar405 here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but a lot of stuff has been going on. But right now it's gonna be a short video. I just want to show you what my latest install has been, slash modification, whatever you want to call it. But this is my latest project I've been working on. It's a short video. I'll be doing my next video. It'll be a little bit more in-depth of what all the specifications are and everything. But hope y'all like this video. Check it out. Link is in the description below for my Instagram, all that good stuff. My sponsors, follow them. All that stuff's gonna be in the description below. So hope y'all like this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it, do all that good stuff. I know you're gonna like it. So here it is. Check it out. Peace out. God bless.